Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Shraddha, I am studying in 6th standard. Today I am going to tell you today's history. Today's history is first in 1957. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite was launched by Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Second, World Animal Welfare Day. Third, in free software foundation was built. Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you, Shreya. Now it is time to know today's news headlines. So I would like to call Aditi Virode from grade 8 to tell today's news headlines.
My respected principals of teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Aditi standing before you to present today's news headlines. First,